History of biryani. Cuisine leaves its own imprint on history. India has witnessed many invaders. With every invader came a different culture and a new cuisine. Muslim invaders like Turks, Arabs, Persians, and Afghans introduced the culture of feasts to India. The fly cuisine that India is famous for developed from the 15th century to about the 19th century during the reign of the Mughals. The Mughals raised cooking to an art form, introducing several recipes to India like biryani, pilaf, and kebabs. While biryani is popularly associated with the Mughals, there is some historical evidence to show that there were other, similar rice dishes prior to the Mughal invasion. There is mention about a rice dish known as Uan Soru in Tamil as early as the year 2 AD. Uan Soru was composed of rice, ghee, meat, turmeric, coriander, pepper, and bay leaf, and was used to feed military warriors. The word biryani comes from the Persian word biryan, which means fried before cooking. One could conclude that the biryani originated in Iran. Another interesting story traces the origins of the dish to Mumtaz Mahal, 1593 to 1631, Shah Jahan's queen who inspired the Taj Mahal. It is said that she once visited army barracks and found the army personnel undernourished. She asked the chef to prepare a special dish which provided balanced nutrition, and thus the biryani was created. When the British deposed Nawab Wajid Ali Shah to Kolkata, the Calcutta biryani was created. Nizams governing small territories in northern India encouraged regional variants like the Hyderabadi biryani and the Arcot Nawab biryani. Biryani recipes of the Mughals can still be found in places where their empire had a foothold. Once a dish for royalty, today the biryani reflects local sensibilities and traditions and is a popular and common dish. Traditionally, biryani was cooked over charcoal in an earthen pot. Let us take you on this yummy trip across India to explore different variations of biryani. Fly biryani, Dinjugal Thalapakati biryani, Lucknow biryani, Kolkata biryani, Bombay biryani, Hyderabadi biryani, Bangalorean biryani, Thalasri biryani. Thank you.